Hello, Shubhankar. So many congratulations once again. So, कैसा रहा? How was your morning today? How are you feeling?
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, after the results the next morning, it's tough to describe. I mean, it feels surreal for sure, but it is yet to sink in. I'm still not able to process that I finally made it. So I hope with time I get used to it.
So, क्या रहा आपके expectation के around रहा result? Were you expecting after giving mains? कैसा लग रहा था? How did it feel different? I know last time भी आपने बहुत अच्छा perform किया था mains में. You went on till the interview stage and you were almost there even last time. So how
So,
was you feeling this time? I think most of the people I talk to वो बोलते हैं कि जो intuitive feeling आती है after giving mains वो कहीं ना कहीं aligned होती है final results के. तो did you feel the same way? Did you feel different? Did you feel better this time as compared to last time?
sir, I definitely felt better this time. I analyzed the fallacies that were there in the last attempt. Although the score was decent, I knew that I had to maximize my main score to finally make it finally make it to the next side, other side this time. So mainly focused on mains, and I don't know if I need to call it luck or something, but the interview was also where I faltered last time, and this time I did not even have much time to prepare for it because my interview was on the first day. So all in all, it passed too quickly, but I made sure that I maximized the mains part and my structures and my content this time, so that interview is not the only deciding factor to decide my rank.
Right. So mains पे आते हैं. So your main journey with mains has been with us last 2.5 years. जो users हैं उनको हम बता देते हैं. Like Shubhankar has been part of our topmost tier plan जो हमारा Zenith plan है, Zenith combo. So he has a geography optional and for GSSA and geography. So he used to write answers or he used to get those evaluated on Collective Babu. एंड सो शुभांकर ऑफ टू यू कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस बताइए कुछ इस बारे में मतलब हाउ डिड यू फील कि कैसे सजेशंस थे रिमार्क्स आपकी जर्नी में कैसे हेल्प किया कलेक्टर बाबू ने.
Yes, sir. Sir, so last attempt, the concept of AI to me was definitely uh, very new. So one of my friends when suggested Collector Babu to me, I was a little skeptical, but then I uploaded an answer and I liked it. And then I also got to interact with you. And once I saw the inputs as well as the suggestions that was partly by AI and then reviewed by your team, I can see that it was much more enriched than the usual feedback we get on our answers because it is very meticulously passed through as well as it is very uniform for all answers. So for from question 1 to 20, I saw that there was no examiner fatigue in the suggestions. That really helped. And that's what motivated me that in my this attempt as well, I upfront approached you that, sir, I need to give another attempt, and that's why I'll be purchasing the topmost tier plan. And you also took my suggestion because in 2024 geography optional was not released as a feature, but this attempt it was, so I fully utilized it, and it
एग्जैक्टली.
really helped me.
एग्जैक्टली एंड सो शुभांकर की कॉपी सो इट वी हम बैकएंड पे भी ट्रैकिंग हमेशा करते रहते हैं. तो योर कॉपी एज वी टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो दैट टाइम आपने शायद मेंस में अपेयर भी नहीं हुए थे एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. So we
Yes, sir.
told him that his copies are one of the best copies. और हमारे रिव्यूअर्स जो हमारी टीम है उनसे भी हमें कंसिस्टेंट फीडबैक मिलता था कि शुभांकर्स कॉपी his answers are quality is very good. So you were consistent always, है ना? So right
Sir.
from your first means and to this means. So uh, kudos to your efforts. और जो होना था आई थिंक एक साल बाद हुआ. And my guess was top 20, but and जो भी मेरा experience रहा है, so I always felt, but you made it to the IAS. और कैसा रहा लाइक आप आई एम श्योर आपने बाकी ऑप्शंस भी इवेलुएट किए होंगे कि व्हाट अदर सोर्सेज मेंस के लिए. सो व्हाई डिड यू चूज कलेक्टर बाबू, एंड आपके अकॉर्डिंग क्या, हाउ डज इट फेयर रिलेटिव टू अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव्स? कुछ हैं जैसे एआई प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, कुछ क्विक आपको रिव्यू देने वाले क्विक एआई वाले भी आ गए हैं काफ़ी सारे। कुछ ओल्ड स्कूल मैनुअल पे डिपेंड करते हैं, उसके अदर चैलेंजेस हैं। सो इन सारे ऑप्शंस में स्टूडेंट्स, और आपने क्यों चुना मतलब कलेक्टर बाबू को?
सर, बहुत कुछ देखने के बाद एंड आफ्टर एक्सप्लोरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, सबसे पहली चीज जो पसंद आई वाज द यूजर इंटरफेस. इट्स वेरी इजी टू यूज एंड इट मेक्स माय लाइफ इजियर. सो दैट अगर इफ आई एम अपलोडिंग माय whole test series, which is 20 questions, one whole paper on any AI platform, it usually asks to upload PNG form of a particular page. But the acceptance of PDF and how there was a dashboard where you can track the status, this was very lucrative for me. And secondly, uh, I always noticed that you always delivered on your 24-hour promise, that within 24 hours the it will be evaluated. So after 24 hours के 2-3 घंटे होने के पहले ही मेरे को दिखता था कि वो रिव्यू से कंप्लीट हो गया है. So you have in fact always uh, pre preceded the deadline that you had promised. And जब मेंस का टाइम होता है, it is so stressful and every minute counts. To wait for an evaluation for a week actually impacts your progression, because अगर मैंने टेस्ट लिखा और उसके अगले दिन ही मेरे को पता चल रहा है कि मुझे कहाँ क्या इम्प्रूव करना है, उससे एक थॉट प्रोसेस बेटर हो जाता है कि अगली टाइम में वही सेम सा अगर मैं GS2 रिवाइज करके देना चाहता हूँ, तो क्या क्या एरियाज में मेरे को इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है वो मेरे रिवीजन में अगले पेपर से इंक्लूड हो जाएगा, जो यूजुअली नहीं हो पाता था. दैट्स व्हाई आई रियली अप्रिशिएट द प्लेटफॉर्म.
राइट। सो यूज़र इंटरफेस बिल्कुल, कई स्टूडेंट्स का फीडबैक रहता है कि दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे सिंगल सिंगल आंसर अपलोड करके चेक करना होता है, या फिर देन अगेन देर इज़ 24 आवर वाली जो थिंग है कि ठीक है, सम कहीं पे आपको इंस्टेंट भी मिल जाएगा, बट द क्वालिटी, that's why we take time, even that 24 hours that we take. So वो 24 hours आपकी कॉपी पे मल्टीपल लेवल्स ऑफ इवेलुएशंस पे जाता है, ताकि यू गेट द बेस्ट इनकॉर्पोरेबल फीडबैक, बेस्ट पॉसिबल। तो राइट, एब्सोल्युटली पॉइंट, सही पॉइंट किया आपने कि अब ये कुछ चीज़ों पे वी गेट गुड फीडबैक, लाइक कि कलेक्टर बाबू हैज़ हेल्प्ड एनी स्पेशल, एनी कुछ एग्जांपल्स आपको यू कैन रिमेम्बर, एनी पेपर जहाँ पे आपने कुछ इनकॉर्पोरेट किया हो? आई नो इट्स बीन सम टाइम।
No, no, sir. I actually vividly remember
ओके।
because uh, मेरा प्रैक्टिस एटलीस्ट इस अटेम्प्ट में हो गया था कि आई डिड नॉट यूज टू रिवाइज द बेयर कॉपी दैट आई हैव रिटन, बट द PDF generated by the corrected copy generated by Collector Babu, because it had all the pointers that I missed. So history is my Waterloo, and I have always been weak at the GS1 part. But since geography is my optional, so I try to overcompensate in geography and GS1. But history, I always forgot dates. I always forgot examples. But in questions like temple architecture, in paintings, in art and culture, the vividness of the types of examples that the platform provided actually shortened it. Because firstly, if I go to a book to find examples, it's too much to internalize in the 3 months process between pre and mains. And secondly, I got it all in one place, and I just need to highlight and re-revise the questions to prepare it. So that's one feature that really helped me cut down on time, which would have otherwise been dedicated to specifically finding examples.
राइट। सो या डेफिनेटली कुछ पॉइंटर्स हमने भी नोटिस किए इस बार, दैट सम ऑफ द ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस, जो एक्सेंट्रिक क्वेश्चंस थे, वी फाउंड दोज जो आए थे एग्जाम में, वो हमारे सजेशंस वाले पार्ट में थे। सो जहाँ पे लोग बिल्कुल ही क्लूलेस हो जाते हैं, दैट दे हैवंट रेड, लाइक फ्यूजन रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन था ITER वाला, या तो वहाँ पे इवन वन लाइनर हिंट इफ़ यू कैन रिकॉल, क्योंकि आपने बार बार रिवाइज कर रखा है, तो वो बिल्कुल हेल्प करता है इम्प्रूवमेंट्स वाला पॉइंट। सो शुभंकर, आपकी कॉपीज हम विल डिस्कस डिटेल में। हम कॉपी शेयर करेंगे, स्क्रीन पे शेयर करेंगे, एंड लेट्स आस्क स्टूडेंट्स उनको किस तरह का फीडबैक चाहिए, एंड हम लोग लाइव
Definitely, sir.
डिस्कस करेंगे इन आवर नेक्स्ट कॉल। लेट्स सी कब होता है, बट
Sure, sir.
we'll go through your answers and the reviews, and I'm sure that students will get to learn a lot from your answers, because
Sure, sir.
those answers are top notch. And So thank you again for being part of this. And I was very happy आपने just result आया and you called us, and it really felt good. So
Sir, for that, it's not only the utility that Collector Babu has provided to me, but
Mhm.
it was also your personal attention as well as care that you showed me. From time to time, you checked on me, and you also went out of your way to suggest me some and give me some personal suggestions as to where I am lacking and where I need to improve. And this is something that really touched me, and I really thought that I owed it to myself and you that I need to call you and tell you that I have succeeded this time.
thank you so much, Shubhankar. And
Thank
okay,
you, sir.
we can end the call. And any last
Sure, sir.
suggestions for prelims for Collector Babu students?
So the last now the time is to stop looking for news sources and just be in the highest gear. Do your works diligently and revise your static diligently, and do not over focus on current affairs a lot. There needs to be a yin and yang balance between the both, and make sure that you don't lose your calm and patience over mock scores, but actually how to identify your mistakes and improve them so that you don't make it commit the same mistake on the D day.
Absolutely. Okay, Shubhankar, thank you for your feedback, and
Thank you so much, sir.